Welcome back. We are putting the transmission fluid back in the transmission. I'm ready to take this off the jack stands. I'm gonna drive it down the street, actually. First we're gonna put the new passenger door on, top off the transmission fluid again. I've already put some in, but we're gonna do some more. And I wanna pressure wash this thing. It is literally covered top to bottom in mud. The underneath is coated in mud. I rubbed it up this morning just to kind of get the fluids all full and get the transmission fluid, put it in reverse and drive, and freaking dirt shot out of the back of the exhaust 30-40 feet back. It was crazy. Anyway, let's get the rest of this transmission fluid in and then we can get this off the jack stands. So right there is the fill plug. It's hard to see. It's on the other side of the exhaust. So I've got my Mopar 8.9-speed ATF. It's kind of a crazy green color. Can't tell if that's oil coming out or dirt. So you can see my crappy weld job, but hey, it works. At least it's not just crapping exhaust out. So right there you can kind of see where that goes in. Okay, we got transmission fluid coming out now, so we'll pull that. Alright, I think it's full again. We're gonna put the fill plug back on, tighten it down, and get it off the jack stands. Okay, transmission is full. Now I'm gonna get rid of this piece of crap door so that it'll actually maybe close. Actually, I don't even know if this is going to close. It's a pretty big gap, but we're gonna pull this door while it's up in the air. Well, we're gonna leave it like that for now. This B pillar might be messed up too, so I don't know if this car's gonna make it. We might send it to auction. I'm not gonna put a crap load of money into this thing if it's gonna cost more than what the thing's worth. That's why. we have that one, just front end damage. Do somewhat cold start. I had it running this morning on a 2018 wrecked HellCat. Ready?
Yeah. Around the edges, just moving under her own power. No leaks. How's it feel?
It feels amazing.
Awesome.
I'm ready to go do some burnouts.
Heck yeah, man.
I don't care that the door doesn't close. We're gonna have to wire this shut or something.
Duct tape.
Yeah, duct tape. That sounds good. It's nice having it out. I mean, we got another door to do. This one still has to be adjusted. We got to pull out the big pillar down here. No leaks. Woo! I think it's time for a burnout. We're gonna try to at least. All right, we got the HellCat outside in all its beautiful glory. It's been sitting at Copart for a while, sitting in my garage for a while. I still don't have the panel on the door, but I want my window down so that I can kind of tie this together. So I'm gonna get my window switch out of the trunk, because that's where everybody keeps it. We're gonna reconnect the window, roll the driver window down. Oh yeah. Let's see if we can roll this one down too. Then we can put a rope around. Oh, it's working. Barely. Okay.
They're all down.
We're good. We're golden. Yeah. That's custom right there. Everybody, it's in the trunk. It's in the trunk. Okay, we're gonna put the trunk down. This is what it looks like when you drive off the lot from the dealership. Windows are a little dirty, that's about it.
Windshield wipers get it clean?
Oh yeah, I didn't even think about, forgot I had windshield wipers. Oh, only one side works.
Oh no, they both work, there you go.
Oh.
Look at that.
Just a little delayed reaction there.
Set for a while.
All right, we're good. I
really think that's an exhaust tube.
I thought it was exhaust too, but I watched some videos last night and everybody's talking about the Hemi tick. It shows both doors are open.
Oh yeah, I bet it does.
You gotta hold this, it's gonna fall. I wonder if I had the bumper on if it would scrape.
Yeah, it would.
How am I gonna get out of my driveway?
You're gonna have to angle it like I do with my peon.
What a waste of time. Yeah! We need some burnout footage.
Alright, hang on, I gotta get
up. You gotta open your door and get the smoke out. Trust them. Oh, they're getting sticky though.
Yeah, they are.
There's really nothing left on those. Well, I don't see any leaks.
No?
I'll just put the window controls back on.
Still gonna have to like put plastic over it or something.
Yeah. Ah, I still don't know if we can save this one. Kinda just want to go drive it down to the gas station. I'll move my truck, just pull it up right there, and then we'll pressure wash it right there.
That never gets old, ever.
We just need to put it on a trailer and take it to a body shop.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna pressure wash this in a little bit, but I'm kind of jonesing to get on this Destroyer gray car. We're gonna put on the new front lower control arm, or tensioner arm as they're calling it now. I'm learning every day, so if I say something wrong, just let me know and I'll correct it. But we're gonna try to tear a lot of this out, replace the coil pack, maybe swap out the throttle body, just because I have no throttle. It starts and runs, but there's no throttle at all. So we're gonna tear this apart, take the fender off so that it doesn't hit the pillar anymore, take the hood off, because that's weight reduction. It'll go faster if you do that, right? All right, that's it for this episode. Just like that, we're out. We'll see you next time, and we have some new updates on the car, the white car, and the Destroyer gray HellCat. So I'm excited for that, but thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, check us out on Instagram, veteran.garage. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.